In this video, I'll be showing you how I trade in rise and fall using AI, okay? And believe me, you will be amazed, all right? AI has already been integrated. For those who missed my previous video, I was showing how AI has been integrated in Deriv. Now, how can you use it to trade rise and fall? Most of us, whenever we trade rise and fall, we have our own strategies, whether we are using fundamental analysis or price action and so on. But now, when it comes here, you will be doing this with the help of AI. And how is AI helping you? Sorry. Now, as you can see right here, I have my candlesticks. For you to be able to access this site, please go to the description, click on that link. You'll be able to come to this site and enjoy it. Okay. Now, as you can see right here, I have these candlesticks. Okay. Basically, these candlesticks are for volatility 100. As you can see right here, for volatility 100. All right. Now, these candlesticks are exactly what is happening on Deriv.com. Okay. But now, let's say you've already analyzed, okay? I told you guys before you trade, ensure you analyze yourself. Before AI, before anything, before indicators, ensure you analyze the market yourself. If you do not know how to do it, click on the top right corner or go to the description. I will put a link for the video on how to trade in rise and fall, okay? Now, how do you do it? Now, let's say you've already come and you've analyzed the market. But before you proceed with your trade, you want now to get confirmation. What you will do is you will scroll. Now, this is the best part. I'm actually very excited for this. When I come down here, you will see that if I want to execute my trade in 5 minutes, or if I will set an expiration date of 5 minutes on rise and fall, the market most likely will go down. And the confidence this AI has on this is 60%. If I decide to wait 10 minutes, the market might still go down. The confidence about this is 70%. So the AI is telling me basically, I have a 70% confidence that in 10 minutes, the market will move in a downward direction. Not only that, but it will give you the details why. So if you click on view details, you'll be able to see all the details on why in 10 minutes, the market might go down. Listen, the 10-minute analysis uses 1-minute candles for enhanced short-term precision. The RSI is neutral at 42.72, but the MACD histogram is bearish at minus 1.158302. The ADX is strong at 58.04, indicating a strong trend. The EMA crosses death and the Bollinger Bands are oversold at 16.49%. The stochastic, as you can see, you are receiving the entire explanation on why it is deciding to make that particular decision. And again, you'll be able to see the entry price, the stop loss. In short, you'll receive everything, all right? So if, let's say, you're trading on MT5, you'll receive your stop loss, the take profit, the point at which you should set the take profit, the point at which you should set the stop loss, the point at which you should set and the point at which you should execute or basically place your trade, or the entry price, all right? So it gives you everything. Guys, and as you can see right here, the signal in. So after every 4 to 5 minutes, it updates, okay? So you'll be receiving real-time signals. So for anyone who has been looking, I want to receive signals on rise and fall, or basically I want to receive signals, they are here. You will receive them right here, okay? As you can see, if I decide to wait 1 hour, the AI will tell me the confidence I have about this is 85%. Okay, and again, it will proceed and tell you why. You can proceed and click on view details and you'll be able to see why it has decided to say that. Okay, now if you have decided, let's say, to follow the 5 minute or the 1 hour, let's say I've decided to follow the 5 minute signal, I'll just come here and click on place trade, and then you'll be asked to place the particular stake you want to use. So let's say I want to use 100, I'll just come and click on 100. And then I'll click on open trade. And before that, in case of any warning, the AI will tell you, current market price is 853.41. It has deviated from the recommended entry point. So basically, you're receiving a warning as you're entering, okay? So guys, I don't know if you're amazed by now, but because this tool is actually blowing my mind every single day. I never knew that trading in Deriv will ever reach this point. I'm actually amazed, and I applaud the developers for doing such an amazing job. Now, when I click on open trade, my trade will be opened immediately, okay? And as you can see right here, my trade is now live. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes, take my profit and leave, all right? Yeah, so this is how this tool works. Guys, it is amazing. At how exemplary this tool is, okay? I'll be showing you how to trade other trade types, but for now, guys, go and try it with rise and fall. fall, and you'll be amazed. Okay, and as you can see, you can just wait it out. All right, as you all know, whenever you trade, as you can see right now, in profits, you're in profits. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, you have to try this tool. And let's say if I decide to close my trade right here, I can just close it. It's not a must for me to wait for the entire expiry date. So I can just close that right there. And I've made my $43 quite easy. Let me click on sell. I don't know if it will be able to sell. And there it is. I've already sold my contract for $28 in seconds. I've not done anything. I've just used my AI to trade. So guys, come and try trading in Rise and Fall on this tool. As I've said, go to the description. You'll find that link. Click on it to start trading right now. If you're watching this on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts, the link is in the comment section. Ensure you copy it, paste it on Google Chrome. Start trading right now. And guys, whenever it comes to this tool and they tell you to authorize, do not fear. Okay? For this tool, they only read and trade. They only access they only just access the trading part of your account. That is it. They do not have any admin position. They do not access your payment information systems. They are very safe, and that is one thing I can guarantee you. Okay, but guys, you have to come and try this out. You will be amazed. Imagine, I have opened my trade in 5 minutes, and within 41 seconds, I've already gotten out with a profit. 41 seconds. Guys, try this out. And another good thing is they've already set the indicators for you. So if you decide to trade with indicators only, you can proceed and trade with your indicators. The indicators are here. Okay? The indicators are already preset for you. So you don't have to set your own indicators and so on. And again, they have set the indicators for you and they're explaining to you how the indicators are influencing the decision it is making. Guys, in short, come try this now. The link is in the description. Try it out. I'm actually using it right now and it's amazing. The profit I've been able to make in the last 2 to 3 days it's amazing. So guys, come try this out and you'll be amazed at how the trading game is changing and you have to change with it. Never be left behind. Okay? Do not be left behind. Come try this right now. Okay? It's an amazing tool. It's an amazing invention. It is an amazing one. Come try this out. Okay? The link is in the description. Ensure you click on it so that at least you can start benefiting from it at this early stage. This is a one-of-a-kind analysis tool, and believe me, it will revolutionize the gaming trade. Even if you're using MT5 and you click here, the MT5 setup, guys, you receive everything. The point at which you should enter your trade, the stop loss, the point at which you should set your stop loss, your take profit 1, your take profit 2, you receive everything. Everything. You can even see, you're able to see the pips, the risk that you should use, the lot size, everything is here. Everything. Okay, yeah, so guys, come try this out. As I've said, it's an amazing tool. For any questions about it, please let me know. All right, and as I've said, whenever it tells you to authorize, do not fear. Okay, I've ascertained that it is very, very legit. Okay, yeah, I've advised you against clicking on authorize, but for this one, guys, just know you are safe. Okay, and please ensure you watch the previous video that I made, the first one about this tool, so that at least you get a better understanding of how it works and how it has come to be where it is right now. Okay, apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until this point. Guys, the game is changing and it is better you hop on it right now. The earlier the better. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here and good luck. And please, guys, ensure subscribe and like and share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv so that they don't miss out on this amazing news. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching and good luck.